People, welcome back to YAAD and ABROAD TV. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification, like, comment, share, and subscribe. As I said, if you're not familiar with this channel, we talk about issues in Jamaica, the Caribbean, and the whole world, people. Wagwan, people, wagwan. I just want to say happy Independence Day to Jamaica. Happy Independence Day. So right about now, people, I'm going to take in about down memory lane. Memory lane where I go. Happy Independence Day, Jamaica. And people, for who does not know what Jamaica Independence Day is all about, I'ma just read an article and give you a breakdown of what Jamaica Independence Day is about. It says the colony of Jamaica gained its independence from the United Kingdom on August 6, 1962. Following more than 300 years under British control, black nationalism was particularly fostered in Jamaica in the first half of the 20th century. The most notable black leader in the country being Marcus Garvey, a labor leader and an advocate of the Back to Africa movement, which called for everyone of African descent to return to the homelands of their ancestors. It's a nationalist sentiment climaxed during the British West Indian labor unrest of 1934 to 39, during which protests occurred between native and British residents of the British West Indies. Following the end of the World War II, the decolonization movement began, with local politicians in Jamaica and the British Empire transitioning their crown colonies into independent states. After Norman Manley was elected to the post of chief minister in 1955. The process of decolonization was made even quicker, especially with constitutional amendments, and he enacted that allowed for greater home rule and established the basis for a cabinet of ministers under a prime minister of Jamaica. Jamaica also entered the West Indies Federation, a political union of 10 colonial Caribbean islands that were combined to become a single independent state. So big up in yourself, Jamaica. Big up in yourself.